So I got the buffing wheel done. That was fun. Learned one good thing from Buddy. Said this wheel should be going counterclockwise, and it worked much better when I did that. So it's turning down. I got the chisel sitting there, and it was just a lot easier. And this tool rest, I'm sure, helps a lot too. So anyways, that's how you want to do that. And if you want to take off a lot, I found the corner worked really good. So take it off there and there and there and all the way along, and then do the flat. I dulled the chisels, all three of them, there once. So I laid them on the stone there and went at it again and got it down pretty reasonable. Pretty much got all the lines out. Then used some sandpaper and smoothed it off. And then I put some green on her. And then I went to buff the chisels. And you can see, I mean, you can get them just mirror shine with that buffing wheel, and erase a sharp edge with that buffing wheel. So that's what that does, but not without the buffing compound. The buffing compound, that's what does the cutting. The MDF's just a carrier, and you put that compound on there. All that black that you see, that's metal. So the compound does cutting. That's metal in the compound that was taken off, and that's what you end up with. So all done. I think we're good. The only other thing I need is I need to rig something up to be able to tell what angle. I know I'm doing a little bit of a hollow grind, but it don't matter. But I need to know what angle. If I hold that chisel on right there, that's going to be a little bit of a hollow grind. But what angle approximately is it cutting that face at? You know, I want it around, I don't know what, 15, 20 degrees, somewhere in there, whatever it was. But either way, I need to be able to hold a very consistent angle throughout the sharpening process. So, getting closer. Okay, thanks, bye.